Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today we're working on a little trifold folder, embellishment folder, and it's going to be a Christmas themed. And what I'm using is some papers from the Santa Baby collection, and this is a collaboration with PinkZebratheCraftyUnicorn. She is hosting the Magical Christmas Collab, and what we're doing is posting one video each week for the month of November, anything Christmas crafty. So my craft today will be a little embellishment folder, pocket folder. It's nothing new. You've seen many of the crafters here on YouTube create one, but I'm just going to do this. This is my first time making it, so just craft along with me. And please don't forget to check out Danielle's channel, and there should be a link in the description box for all the YouTubers who are participating in the collab. So check it out, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and enjoy the craft. See you in a minute. Finished up the embellishment folder, and I used some glitterific on these chipboard stickers. They're not chipboard, they're the Dollar Tree wooden stickers. So what I did to the stickers, I used Mod Podge on the plain one, on the plain wood. And then I used some pink glitterific on top of that. And then the second one, I used some pink paint. And then as it was still wet, I painted on the Glitterific right on top, and I got some practice. I still got to get, you know, used to working with this type of glitter, but here it is. I put it on the front. I put the present under this little floral cluster, and I put the tree up on the top. I used some of the Dollar Tree snowflakes, the smallest size. Put one here, put one there, and there's one hiding behind the tree. I took one of the cut aparts and put it on top. I used my pearls, I want to call them pearls, that I hauled. This is from Louisa. So I went around the cutout underneath it just to give it a little bit of a peekaboo, you know, style. Before I put all that down, I used some ribbon, satin ribbon, to use for my closure. So I glued it here on the front and then on the back on the second panel. Okay, and then all I did on the back to cover up part of the ribbon, I used another cut apart with the little reindeer, and I just left it plain because when you put it down you want it to lay flat. Okay. So here we'll open up the folder, and as you can see, before I closed up the pocket, I opened it up and I punched the edge of the pocket with my edge punch from Martha Stewart. And these are all just some cut aparts from the collection, and I just put them in the pocket, in each pocket, just to share with whoever the recipient is. Okay. And then on the inside flap, I took the cut apart and I fussy cut the hat out. And there's more cutouts. I just stuck some into the side of the hat. So the only place I put glue was the rim, the bottom of the hat, and then the pom-pom, and a little bit of the edge. That way the cut aparts don't just fall out, you know, so they stay in there pretty snug, nice and snug. And I didn't put any dimensional stickers on the outside flap. But here on the inside panels, I used more of the Dollar Tree snowflakes here and here. And these little gems that I added on top of the snowflake is from Walmart, and they still sell them. It's this big sheet, and it comes with 3 different sized gems, 1, 2, 3, and I just added them right on top of the snowflakes. Okay, and to close it up, you just take the satin ribbon, and I'm going to tie it up into a bow, and hopefully I can get this pretty bow on there. Whoops, saved it. And that was it, guys. Thank you for joining me, and please check out the playlist. Don't forget, the links will be in the description box, and come back for more videos. We'll be posting one video every Friday with the collab hosted by Pink Zebra, the Crafty Unicorn, here on YouTube. And there's a few ladies here on the link. It'll all be in the description box below. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.